Rule number one of the Skool games is have fun. And I don't mean that in a hokey sense. Let me explain. So Tony Robbins interviewed a ton of billionaires in his book, Money Master the Game. And the reason he called it the game is that every one of them, to a fault, talked about money and business as a game. And so he saw that as a through line between all of the highest performers, is that they actually loved doing it. And so if you're going to succeed at whatever you're going to do, it can't suck, which is why I was so interested in Skool. And when I saw the amount of engagement and saw how many people were able to make money, especially ones who hadn't made money before, that's what got me so invested in doing this. Let me give you 2 easy ways that you can make this even more fun, besides participating. Number 1 is find a friend, all right? If you do stuff with a friend, it'll be more fun, because even if you do shitty stuff with a friend, it's still more fun than doing shitty stuff alone, all right? Now, our hope here, obviously, is that it doesn't suck at all. And ideally, the second version of this is that you partner with somebody who has a complementary skill set. And so I'm not just saying this, this is literally what I'm doing and what we're doing at Skool. And so Sam, the founder of Skool, which many of you guys know, and if you don't, it's Sam, he loves building amazing products. He didn't want to make content all day. And so he's like, man, I wish there was somebody else who could manage the marketing side of this and who likes making content and likes teaching and all of that stuff. And on the flip side, there's me who's like, man, building a product takes a lot of time and a lot of energy. I don't have that bandwidth. It would be awesome if I found a product that I actually believed in, that I could then just introduce my audience to, who have the very problem the product solves, which is many of them want to make money online, don't know where to start, and want a tool that can do all of those things. And Skool does that. And so I'm not just saying this, I'm practicing what I'm preaching here. And so make it fun. If it isn't fun, find a friend. And if you want to do it with somebody else, partner with them, provided they have a different skill set than you. So if you're like, man, I wish somebody, I don't want to build an audience, find someone who has one. If you're like, man, I wish I had more expertise, you can find someone who has it, or you can source it from your community. The possibilities are endless, and that is the point of Skool, is to make business fun.